everyone, I'm a tutor here at mathsandenglish.net, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to solve problems that involve direct and inverse proportion. First, let's talk about direct proportion. What does it mean when two numbers are directly proportional? It means that if one number increases, the other number will also increase at a constant rate. Alternatively, if one number decreases, the other number will also decrease at a constant rate. I've attached here the symbol of proportional, and as you can see, it looks like an incomplete infinity sign. So now let's talk about how to write when two numbers are directly proportional. So for example, we can say that A is directly proportional to B. So this is the first thing that we have to write down. Then we go and write A is equal to KB, where K is a constant. This is very, very important, and you have to write this every single time. Now let's solve a problem that involves direct proportion. It says that A is directly proportional to B. When A is 7, B is 28. Find the value of B when A is equal to 5. Cool. So it tells us that A is directly proportional to B. So this is the first thing we have to write down. Then we can write down A is equal to KB. Remember, this is extremely important. They've told us that when A is 7, so we can replace A with 7, B is 28. We still don't know K, but we know that B is 28, so we can write that down. From this, we can find K by dividing through by 28. So K will be equal to 7 over 28, which is 1 over 4. So we found out what K is. Let's find B when A is 5. So we can write down 5 is equal to 1 over 4, which is K, times B. And to find B, we have to times 5 by 4, so B will be 20. Now let's talk about inverse proportion. What does it mean when two numbers are inversely proportional? It means that if one number increases, the other number will decrease at a constant rate and vice versa. And the way to write this is A is inversely proportional. So we still do the same sign for direct proportion. However, we write 1 over B. So the inverse of B. A is proportional to the inverse of B. Then we can write down A is equal to K times 1 over B, or K over B, depending on how you want to write it. Now let's solve this problem, which says that F is inversely proportional to D. When D is 50, F is 256. Find the value of F when D is 80. So we can write down that F is inversely proportional to 1 over D. Then we can write down F is equal to K over D, or K times 1 over D, which is the same exact thing. We don't know K, so let's find it out. We know that F is 256 when D is 50. So we'll still leave the K here, and D is 50. That means that K will be equal to 256 times 50, which is 12,800. Let's find the value of F when D is 80. So we can write F is equal to 12,800 divided by 80. Therefore, F will be equal to 160. Now that we've covered both direct and inverse proportion, how about you test yourself with these two questions that I've attached on here? Pause this video and have a go at these questions. And after you're done, unpause the video and I'll reveal the correct answers to you. I have now attached the answers and the working out to the two questions that you've just attempted. So for question 1 and for question 2. In our next video, we will learn how to compare lengths, areas, and volumes using ratio notation and scale factors. I wanted to say thank you for watching this video. If you've liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.